Have you ever wondered what it means to see beyond sight? In the rich tapestry of ancient mythology, Tiresias, the blind seer of Thebes, stands as a symbol of profound insight and tragedy. His tale begins with a curious encounter with two mating snakes. Intrigued, Tiresias struck them, turning him into a woman for 7 years. Embracing this new identity, he experienced the world from a woman's perspective. After the transformation, he regained his male form, but not without a price. This unique experience granted him the wisdom to perceive the hidden truths of life and love. Eventually, his path crossed with the gods, leading to an encounter with Hera and Zeus. When asked who experiences pleasure in love more, he revealed the truth, enraging Hera, who blinded him in her wrath. To compensate for Zeus's pity, Tiresias was granted the gift of prophecy and a long life. His visions guided countless heroes, including Odysseus, on his perilous journey home. Yet his foresight came with a curse. Knowing the future often brought despair. Tiresias lived in a perpetual struggle between knowledge and ignorance, a poignant reminder that sometimes seeing too clearly can be as much a burden as a gift.